How we feeling?
Hey, pretty good. Day one. I slept well, but everybody else didn't. So, yeah.
So that leaves and shit doesn't go into the shoes. Blackjacks, thorns, stuff like that. So yeah, I would. So something you did yesterday? Cool. Thank you very much. Yeah, and departure in 6 minutes. Let's go.
Thank you.
Gonna go under for 2 seconds. You're just gonna push him on the roof until you can come up. You ready? Alright, put your whole body down.
How do you sleep? So today will be the longest day of the hike. It's 13.3 k's about, so I would say about 14.5 k's. We're going to Stables hike. And the whole trip will take us about 7 hours. Plus
Tell me what's going on.
So we're having a break. We started our second day, which is supposedly the hardest day. Had a few river crossings, some bridges that were really supportive, and and I'm quite keen to go for a few jumps in the water soon.
Hydrate, mate.
Made it! Woo, now we go first.
Just like a singing song. Until the dawn can get it on.
Until I do.
Not lekker, not lekker.
No, it's not like that. Well, luckily it didn't happen during the hike. So always look for something to be grateful for. You know?
Hi, Matt. Are we doing a slow mo?
Can't just use so quick.
A crazy one. Nice.
The hike was fun, but really painful because my ankle is swollen. But we did it, and I'm very happy now.
My favorite cabin to stay in was the third one. It was really, really cool, but yeah, I had some yummy oats, got to know these people a lot better. So yeah, it was tough, but it was definitely doable, but it was a lot of fun.
Pretty good, some steep downhills. A few casualties, but the team really stood up.
Nice views, nice waterfalls, and yeah, we're done. Now horse riding, yay!
Happening?
We're riding!
How do you feel?
So excited. So excited. I'm Me riding.
My name is Christo. If I haven't met you, welcome. Okay. Right, so all we're going to do is we're just going to do a little short introduction as to what the do's and the don'ts. Okay.
Oh, hey there, rider.
Hey there.
Enjoying it?
Yeah. First time horse ride. Having a bit of fun. Better than I expected.
Now, I drank quite a lot of water this morning.
I could tell.
Rehydrating.
More now.
You're very dry.
I'm very dry.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, wow. So dry to the touch. You poor thing.
Does it make sense to you?
Yeah.
That it doesn't always work and you're going to get frustrated, but you need to compromise.
Bye!
Get a bullseye with this one, come on.
Similar to riding a horse, bend your knees slightly, relax your arms. Keep a safe distance between the bikes, at least 5 bike lengths.
You're like looking into the camera.
How was that?
Epic, I almost just crashed into some stationary bikes.
Hey, wobble up a dub dub.
Woo!
What's happening, Vincent?
We drinking water. Umfi is really chilled. I feel like, yeah, the horses are drinking water. I feel like royalty. Umfi is basically doing everything for me.
Yeah, you do look really cool.
I do feel. Now we're going to apparently go for a gallop, which is scary, but yeah, I think it's going to be amazing as well.
How's it, everybody? So this is day 3 of the horse riding team. We are going on a nice short ride today through the beautiful pine forest around us. The sun is out, we're all happy. A little bit cold, but couldn't ask for anything better than a little bit of a ride on some horses, eh?